Hi and welcome to the FIB Strategist TA update with me, Warren Peacock. I've got two new shares today and we're going to go through the shares that we already have. So starting out with Intel. Intel has triggered yesterday, which is Monday the 23rd of September, just by closing above that resistance level at 22 Rand. Double bottom, break of the neckline. I'm quite happy to take that trade. I've placed my order just above yesterday's high. That yesterday's high there is 22.82, so just above that for a trigger when the US opens. And my stop loss is just below support there at around 18.56. Just to note, the trend is down, so it is an early entry into trend change. The 8 EMA is crossed above the 21 EMA. Confirmation of the trend change would be 21 up through the 89 EMA there. So for now, just early entry, looking for a nice bounce from 22 Rand there to get up through the 30 Rand mark. Micron, similar setup, got the double bottom there against the underlying trend, which is down. It broke through the initial shelf, resistance shelf there at around 91.16. So yesterday closing above resistance at 93, breaking resistance at 93.82, and I've placed my order just above the high of yesterday at 94.80, looking for that bounce through the 50 mark, and I'll be watching that 50% level for the next entry. Stop loss, if it does trigger tonight, will be below that support at 83.91. Onto the shares we've been watching for a while. So Applied Materials there, that double bottom playing out, triggered through the 50% level, and now just waiting to see what happens. Stop loss remains for me below 170.85. Next entry above that next resistance level at around 211.69. 8 and 21 haven't crossed up yet, so if you're looking for a later entry or you've missed the bounce off the support level, then sure, you can have a look at the 8 crossing the 21 there and break of that candle's high. Next level, like I said earlier, 211.49 is where I'm looking to enter again. AMD, so AMD also triggered and it's through the 50% level, so looking okay at the moment. This trade also against the trend there, but with a higher low. 8 and 21 crossed over. We entered the trade. Next level of interest is above 162.51, where I'll be looking to add in there, and I've put my stop loss just below support at 128.23. I didn't use this low. Firstly, it's very far away. Secondly, it opened at the bottom of that candle and then closed back within the range, so I've basically just applied the stop on a close below that the range low. Then Amazon continues to move higher through that resistance 78% level, moving pretty strongly at the moment. 21 up through 89, so that's also confirmed trend change. Next area of interest for me is above the 100% mark, which is the current high on Amazon, 201.20. Close above that, break of that high, I'll be adding into the trade, and I've put my stop loss just on the previous swing low or current swing low there, just below 168.03. Googl bouncing nicely off pretty much nowhere, back up through that 61.8, triggering the first trade, up through the 50% level. Next area of interest is the 38% level there at 168.57. 8 and 21 have confirmed the initial trend change, and 21 up through 89 will confirm that. And then price through that 38% level above 168.46 would definitely confirm the higher high. What we don't have here, which is a little bit concerning, is the higher low. Maybe price will come off a little bit back to 61.8 and give us the higher low. But if it closes above 38, I'm looking to add into that. And Microsoft also pushing off that higher low there, 821 confirming. 21.89 now confirmed as well. So next level of interest is just above that 41.62. Close above that, break of that candle's high, I'm going to add in there. We've got one position open on the previous trigger, and now just looking to add in, and then ultimately above that 468 level is the next level of interest after this trigger. My stop loss remains here at 454 cents, and if you are trading physicals, then below 384.70. So all of my trades are geared. Then Nvda, so Nvda in a little bit of a narrowing pattern there, possible triangle or whatever. Basically just pressure building, whichever side it breaks out will probably win. So what I've got here is I've got the higher low, and we entered the trade, now looking for some sort of confirmation. 8 and 21 trying to cross over there. This is not against the trend, this is with the trend. So 21 is still above 89 there, and I'm looking to add into Nvidia. Their fundamentals still look pretty good. They're still producing outstanding processors for their graphics card, so their GPU is still looking very good, and R&D is going ahead pretty strongly. And next level of real interest above 141.23. And then lastly, Qualcomm, which is finding resistance, difficult to break there at 175.55. I've got my first trade in. Next area of interest is above 183.60, through that 38% level. That's basically price for a below to high. That's 38% retracement of that move. So close back above that would I consider that then a confirmation of trend change. So again, the traders against the trend, looking for that confirmation with 21 up through 89. You're welcome to contact us at warren@thetradersplace.co.za or dylan@thefibstrategist.co.za, and subscribe to the channel, and you'll get all future updates. Thank you for listening.